Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your device and account readiness for the Ncell Esim. Use an iPhone XS or later running iOS 12, 1 or higher before starting activation. Ensure you have a valid Ncell account and the Esim QR code or an exit number available now. Connect your iPhone to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data so activation can complete quickly. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer before changing cellular settings. Also confirm available Esim slots in settings under cellular plans. Begin installation by opening settings and tapping cellular on your iPhone. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point your camera at the Ncell QR code to scan it. If the QR code scan fails, choose Enter Details manually and input the ICSID and any SMSDP values Ncell provided. Follow prompts to name or label the plan for easy identification in settings. Choose whether to use the Esim for cellular data, voice, or both when prompted. Wait for activation status to show connected before closing settings. If activation stalls, first toggle airplane mode on and off and restart your iPhone. Retry scanning the QR code after the restart and ensure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. If problems persist, open Settings, go to Cellular, and remove the Esim, then attempt reinstallation. You can switch data and voice between physical SIM and Esim inside cellular settings at any time. Enable data roaming in cellular options if you are traveling and require service. Contact Ncell support with your ICSID and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.